All right, so hopefully you worked this before, you tried this out before watching the video. If not, pause the video, give it a shot, and then resume the video. All right, so 56, let's go ahead and work it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is write the inequality. So 56 is less than or equal to 8h, okay? Now I'm gonna use the inverse operation to solve it, and I'm gonna use a different color. So let's go purple. So I'm gonna divide both sides by 8. I'm getting that variable isolated. And so I'm left with, and these cross each other out, and 56 divided by 8 is, my blank is 7. So 7 is less than or equal to h. All right, now I'm going to graph it. Oh. And so I'm going to find 7, use a closed circle. H is actually greater, even though the 7 has nothing to do with which side that's pointing. It's whatever the variable, the open end of the variable. That's how you determine if it's greater than less than. So I'm going to shade in to the right because h, so it's the same thing as h is greater than or equal to 7. Okay. All right, so to take my work, I'm just going to plug in a value on both sides of the circle, 6 or 8, into my equation. Let's try 6 first. So 56 is less than or equal to 8 times 6, and that's 48. So 56 is less than or equal to 48, and that is not true because 56 is greater than 48, so that is not the solution. Now I try another number. I'm gonna try 10. All right, I'm just gonna pick outside the box. I could do 8 as long as I pick any number on that side of the dot. So let's go 56 is greater than or less than or equal to 8 times 10. 56 is greater than or equal to 80, or less than or equal to 80, and that is true. So that is a possible solution. All right, go ahead, try example number 3 on your own, and then watch the video.